Hello all, welcome back to Cafeism with your friend Pubali. I hope you all are doing well. For the past few days, we have been reviewing some cafes based on our first segment, Top 10 Budget-Friendly Cafes in Kolkata. We have received immense love, support as well as suggestions from you. Thank you all for being a part of our journey till date. Today we are here to share why I started Cafeism. In contemporary times, cafes have mushroomed all over India. Not only the pan-Indian cafes like CCD and Barista, but one can find small cafes in every other lane in the city. Every second video on social media feed showcases the aesthetics of budding cafes in the city. Being an ardent cafe hopper or cafe lover, I have visited approximately 500 cafes in the last 5 years, other than the complete lockdown period, in all over West Bengal, Meghalaya, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh and Andaman and Nicobar Island. I have always relied mainly on Google reviews or Instagram reels or Zomato reviews before visiting a particular place. But those were always not on a par with my expectations of that place. To put it simply, जैसा लगा था वैसा था नहीं. So one day I decided, why not I make a thorough review of cafes based on some segments and place it before the world. It will help cafe lovers and cafe hoppers like me and others who go there for some refreshments. Coming to the language part, most of you suggested Bengali over English for better reach and engagement. But I chose English for one particular reason. I am not disregarding or disdaining your suggestions, as I know you all love me and support me on my endeavor. But the reason is that whenever I visited places outside West Bengal and tried looking up for places to dine out, I could mostly find videos on the native languages, which were difficult to understand without knowing that particular language. So I wanted to help everyone, be it tourists, natives or people from all over the world, which is almost impossible without a common language. The vision of Cafeism is to give detailed reviews to make others a feel of what happened, the factors which contributed to our positive, negative or so-so experience. We meticulously furnish every single piece of information of that cafe. The range of cuisine that the cafe offers, the pricing range of various dishes, the thorough description of ambience and decor, the exact location, about the staffs, whether the cafe offers live music or any sort of entertainment. We might mention the various dishes that the cafe offers, but we limit ourselves to the food we ordered there and share our live, honest and genuine review to you. Basically, we describe the nitty-gritties of the cafe and share our insights with you so that you guys can have a clear picture of that cafe. The core content of Cafeism will be the cafe reviews, but we will serve more on platter. Once we are done with our budget-friendly segment, we will come with segments like Instagram-worthy, Slice of Abroad in India, Jhole Jhale Bangali and so on. You will also have special videos of makeup and dressing up for day and night dine out. Traveling part outside Kolkata will also be there. Basically, you guys will be spoiled with various options of your choice videos. In this video, I try to share my personal thought process behind starting Cafeism. If you like this video, then please press the like button, share and subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. And if you like such contents and want to know more about the personal side of Cafeism, then please do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you all for being here. Bye and take care. One day I decided, why not I make a thorough review of cafes based on some segments and place it before the world. So after that, we